In this video, I will teach you how to fix YouTube error code for "This video is unavailable." First thing you need to do is to go to youtube.com on your Chrome or your browser. If you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to click sign up and create one. But if you already have an account, you can just log into YouTube and using your Google credentials. Now, if you have error code 4, you will be able to see something like this. Sometimes this error is just a glitch, so you just have to try refreshing the page or closing and reopening your browser. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, so you can test it by opening another website. If the connection is weak, you restart your router or switch to a different network. Now, if refreshing doesn't really work for you, you might need to clear your browser cache and cookies. So on your Chrome, all you have to do is to click on another tab and go to these three dots right here on the rightmost corner, right here, and then search and then scroll down until you see settings. You just have to click on that, and then you just have to look for the settings right here, the left dashboard, and click on privacy and security. After clicking on that, you just have to select on delete browsing data. Just have to click on that and choose cache image and files and cookies and other sites data. Then you just have to click on delete data right here. You just have to wait for it to load in order for you to clear the data as well as the cache and cookies. Now, if you're still getting error code 4, you can try opening the video in a different browser like Firefox or Edge. Or on mobile, you can use the YouTube app instead of browser version, or update the app if you haven't already. Sometimes error code 4 means the video is region restricted or has been removed by the uploader. So to confirm that, you just have to try and searching it for the same video on another account or device. If it's unavailable everywhere, it's likely a content restriction you can fix. Another common cause is browser extensions, especially ad blockers that you enable. So try disabling them temporarily and then reload YouTube to see if the video plays. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.